Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Miles Morales in his spider suit. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Miles Morales face, let's begin by drawing the face of Spider-Man. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come down. And then we're just going to bring this up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line in and up to here. And then we'll do the same thing. I'm going to bring this over. I'm going to come down and then out. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and then in. And I'll do the same thing over here. I'm just going to come down and then bring this in. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then curve it up to here. I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to come down and then curve it up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw this exact same shape inside of here. So I'm going to bring this down, and then I'm going to curve this right up to here. Do the same thing here. We're just going to bring this down and in. We're going to come down and then curve this up. Right here, I'm going to make a little curved line. And then I'm going to bring a line that comes down. And then another line that's going to come down here. Make a little curved line here. And then we'll draw a line that's going to come down. And then we're going to make this one come out and then down, kind of at an angle. So we'll go out and then down. This one curve here and then curve here. Make a couple lines that connect it here. And then we're going to make a couple more that are going to connect right here. And then we'll start up here and we'll do the same thing. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw two lines that come in for the neck. And then I'm just going to bring them down right here towards the bottom of our paper. I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve it in, just like this on each side. I'm going to bring this line up and curve it around. And I'm going to bring this line up and curve it around. We'll bring this line up. We're going to come around and then down to here. I'll make two lines that come down here and two lines that come down here. Make a line that's going to come down to here for the shoulders, and then the same thing here. Then I'm going to bring a curved line around here. And I'll bring another kind of broken line right over here. We'll also make a line that comes down here, here, and then here with a curved line across. And there you go. There is your drawing of Miles Morales in his spider kind of costume with his hood. You can even add like a couple of extra lines up here if you want to for some more details on the hood. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.